Alright guys, I pulled the mower out from underneath there. Figured I'd do a cold start. This old girl here is usually always faithful. So, let's see if I can do it one-handed. Turn the booster pack on. Like I said, bear with me, I gotta turn the key and film. I dropped you. See, told you, it's a lot harder than people think. Alright, well, I'll try to. Need to get me a camera holder or something. Oof. Well, I better show you guys. It has not been ran. It's still total cold. So, it's cold start. Alright, let's see here. If I can get back off without falling. Alright guys, look at that. Now that's what I call a cold start. Sat from fall to March something today, and it just fires right up. So you can't get no better than that. But alrighty guys, then we got Tucker over here. He's a boy with a girl collar. He's got a habit of chewing them off or breaking them. Oh buddy. Oh buddy. There's a big old 100-pound ox. He's probably about as tall as my waist. I'm 5'4", so. But alrighty guys, it's a cold start, and it's a nice sunny day. It's probably about 50. With the breeze, it'll probably bring it down to 45 or whatever. But it's a lot better day. I'll take these over the snow, that's for sure, and a -degree weather. But alrighty guys, take care.